This is Canada. Maple syrup in my cabin, say, ay, kick your ass all hockey season, ay.
Good evening, one. Good evening, all. Paul from QXM, Quebec X Media, telling you good evening. Just a quick tutorial here to let you know, all my English-speaking friends that want to enjoy the content that QXM has to offer, but their French is a bit too rusty or non-existent, which would be a shame. Everyone should know French. So what I'm going to show you exactly how the auto-translate function will work once you're on a video. Probably a bunch of you never used that before, so let me show you quickly how it works. Once you're on a video of mine or whoever, you can simply go on the setting button right here at the bottom. All right, so this one here, once you open it up, the setting will ask you subtitles. You simply click on it and you'll have probably only two choices. Whoops, there's a bit more choices here because I've already touched it. So let me scrap that and we'll start again. Take two. So, like I was saying, what you can do to actually get the auto-translate, you do see right here the stamp for the settings. So you just open up the settings, you'll see the subtitles right here. They're off right now, but once you open it up, you will have the option to keep them off or put them in French, auto-generated. So you do select French. Then, once you'll see it, you will see that the subtitles in French are appearing right now. And if you go back on it, you should be able now to see that you have the auto-translate option. You simply select that. It will ask you which language you want to translate. You can probably become a linguist here and learn a bunch of languages, but I would presume that you would select the English. And right now, as you can see, all subtitles are going to be in English. So if we do press play now,
Je peux voir un formulaire, s'il vous plaît?
You have your favorite QXM reporter talking to your favorite officer, if you haven't seen the video yet, Miss DeVoe. And as you can see right now, the subtitles are all in English, and you are all set to go to enjoy it in your native tongue if it is English. So that's pretty much it. I am right now thinking that the actual translation and the subtitles, I've checked them up a bit, and I do believe that they're pretty much accurate, so it's not an issue. But I would find them probably 80% accurate. So please let me know in the comments or send me an email letting me know how you enjoyed it with the subtitles. And at some point, I might be thinking of doing some voiceover on some of my videos. And also, I will do some also directly in English so that you can enjoy them directly. So hopefully that was helpful to some of you guys. And this is QXM, Quebec X Media, telling you ciao. Catch you next time.
This is Canada. Maple syrup in my cabin, say, ay, kick your ass all hockey season, ay. Now teach me riding horses, ay. Yeah, this is Canada. Ay, moose live up in our zone. Ay, we got the best weed ever grown. Ay, we got the best bacon ever known. Ay, from Toronto to Vancouver, ay, Montreal to Regina.